Dang, guys, I could not get my rod out of the rod holder. Jeez. I myself just doubled up. Alrighty, guys, what's up? So I'm out here with Victor. Let's go check out his channel. Outdoors with Vic, right?
Yeah.
Outdoors with Vic. We're gonna go do some night fishing tonight for some catfish. If you go check out his channel, we went out here to the same spot last night and we did pretty good. I caught that nice 10.5 pounder. But we're just gonna be using hot dogs tonight. Last night we were using trout, chicken livers, and hot dogs, and the only thing that we caught them on was hot dogs. We were getting bites on the trout, but not pretty good ones, so we're only gonna do hot dogs tonight. We're each gonna have at least 2 rods out, and I don't know, hopefully catch another big one tonight.
Hopefully. Get that 20 pounder.
Yeah.
That's the goal, 20 pounder.
Yeah, catch the next 20 pounder. All right, we'll see you guys down at the bank. All right, there it is, guys. Victor's got his rod set up. I got my 2 right here. I'm feeling good about tonight. How about you?
Should catch something.
Like I said earlier, guys, we're just gonna have hot dogs out, nothing else. All right, guys, I just got a bite. Yep. Just pecking at it.
I think you got him if you play it smart.
There he is. Nope. He's on it, guys. He's biting it. Got him.
First one. We've been here. We just got set up.
Good one. First one, guys. Let's go.
First one of the night.
Doesn't feel that bad. Oh, okay. Jeez. I forgot how far out he is. Oh, there he just went for a good one. There he is. There he is.
What are you thinking?
4 pounder. I know he's all leafy, guys. Step it. But there's the first one. Good 4 pounder. Release him, guys. There he goes. You can't pull it out. Hold these. Hold these. Ah, thank you. All right, we got another one, guys. This one even feels better. Dang, guys, I could not get my rod out of the rod holder. Jeez. He hammered this one. Oh, I got another one. I got another one.
Got it. Here.
He's on. He's on. Here, you do this one. I want to do my bait caster. You do this one. There, I got another one, guys. Jeez, I just doubled up. I myself just doubled up.
Huh. I think I will have to change my setup. But isn't that amazing? Does that even make sense to you?
No. Jeez.
Like the rig?
Are we tangled? No. I don't think we're tangled.
Oh, that could be a reason. But the way it goes down, it wouldn't go
Imagine both ears go off.
Yeah.
Yeah, because mine's hanging this way. I think we might be tangled. I should go under me. Oh no, we both. Oh no, we both got. We got two different ones.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, mine's right here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Mine's actually a really good one. Bro, look at this one.
Holy crap.
Oh my god.
I gotta back up to get this one. My fish record.
Holy, that's a good one. That's a really good one. Hey, there you go, guys. I just doubled up myself, but I let Victor take that other Rex. I probably would have lost the rod. But there's mine. And then Victor's got the other one.
Alright, yeah, that works. I'll show mine, then yours. Alright, so here's the one I reeled in. This was on Connor's rod.
There he goes, guys. Yeah. Oh, that's the wrong way.
We still ended up doing pretty good tonight. It would be nice if we would only catch like 2 or 3. If that. You think he's a big one? That's 50-pound catfish. Probably can't be good.
It sounds cooler, though.
I forgot he was cool.
All right, there it is, guys. Number 6. What do you say, 2 pound? There he goes.